As you can see here, these were unsoldered from here, from the sides, so the both of them. Another thing, it's here the jack, it was off, out of place, so it was not even holding it. And as well over here, you see this one, I'm not sure if this is a resistor or a condensator. It's a black one, totally black. Not sure. I didn't even check what is this, but we can see here that it should be here soldered in two sides. Hello guys, I thought actually I had all my controllers fixed, but in the end I opened another one just to clean it, and then I noticed quite a few issues. As you can see here, these were unsoldered from here, from the sides, so the both of them. Another thing, it's here the jack, it was off, out of place, so it was not even holding it, so I'm not sure, maybe someone was trying to force it, putting the jack in and wiggling. So as you can see over here, over there, over here, even there is even no contact in the bottom, this one and this one as well. It's not, it has here some kind of metal, I think it's where the connection is in the bottom, but on this one here I don't see anything. So about this one I'm not sure if we will be able to solder this proper. And as well over here, you see this one, I'm not sure if this is a resistor or a condensator. It's a black one, totally black. Not sure. I didn't even check what is this, but we can see here that it should be here soldered in two sides, and it's just soldering this left side. This one is not. Then I was wondering as well if here something is missing. Not sure if it's missing something there or not. And as well over here, not sure if something is missing. I remember that when I tried all the controllers, everything was working. I didn't try the jack itself, so might be that this issue here is related to the jack. Not sure what I will do. I will try to solder this one here back in place, and then I'll try to solder here this one over there. Let's see if it will, we will have sound at least, if it will work, and if it works to have sound. Maybe we will not have sound, and then actually I'm not planning then to sell this one because I don't feel so confident to sell this even if it's working after. I prefer to keep it. I was planning to keep two of them, so actually one of them I have it here, and probably I'll keep this one as well. I thought everything was okay, but then when I was cleaning this, seems it was not okay. I did already some cleaning, everything was clean. I took this apart, everything already. If you want to see the video how to take this apart, there is a specific video for this. Yeah, and that's it. So let's try to not to look into this and try to solder it. I have here my soldering station with my tips, which I'm not sure it's 100% good. Probably I will need to clean it. I'll put here some solder on it right away. Still warming up. So I'll probably fast forward and wait until this gets hot enough for me to start on this one. I already cleaned it, so we can start already then to solder on it right away. So let's wait a bit until the iron is hot. Okay, so we have the solder on, already hot. I already did put here some small little flux everywhere. So let's see if I can start already on this one. Actually, this is very small one, it's very hard to see. Okay, so this is, I guess, is okay. And now this big one. At least this should be easier because it's quite big, so should be easier. But let's see how to grab this and let's maybe do it like that. Okay, that one is together. Now I will hold this on my hand. Probably will be able to see better. Here actually it's not that warm, so should be okay. What we can do as well, we can already solder here these motors. Okay, seems okay. Over here and over there. Here actually it's a big chunk of solder. And here as well. But here is not much. It's fine. Here's some extra. So what we'll do, I'll clean all of this and then mount everything again and try it in the computer and see if everything is fine. Maybe I will be able to, not sure if this will be working because of this one here. Really doubt that it will work, but in the worst case scenario this will be a remote functionable, hopefully, but we cannot then hear some sound. Let's see. I'll mount everything back together, clean it a bit. No point to show you these guys because it's just a waste of time to be showing that. So let's put everything back together, clean it, put everything back together, and then I'll come back when I'll be able to, when I connect it to the computer itself. So let's see you sometime. Okay, so we mounted already all the controller, everything is fine. Actually, I changed here this button with other controller because it's quite worn off. So since this, I will keep this controller for myself. I changed this button, but that's the only thing. Everything else it's the same as we just here changed solder here this the port of microphone, and here the both of the motors. Let me connect these to the cable that I have here. Okay, let's connect it. Let's see if we'll. Okay, turns on. So this is a good thing because remember we had here some resistor, I think it was, or capacitor, not sure what it was. So at least it turns on. So now let's see if here the sound will work, if these motors, both of them, work. Okay, PS4, general settings, I think. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, it vibrates. I can hear it. Not sure if you can hear it. I'll test here the left side. See, it works. And the right side. Okay, it works as well. This one. Okay. Okay, so both of them are fine. So that's a good thing. One thing more that now we can try, it's hear the sound itself. Allow me to connect the microphone as well. See. Okay, let's what we can put here for me to listen. That is not that is not okay, so we can try to put here something of the channel action part 1. Let's see if you can hear something. Okay, we can hear something. So this is a good thing. Let's try to record as well something. Let's see if we manage record. Okay, voice record. This one. Let's try to record. Okay. well, actually, this is 1, 2, 3. Test the Nacon. Let's see. Today, can we see something? Let me check. Yes, we can. So we try to put it. Not sure if you can listen, but it works. So that's a good thing as well. And okay, let's as well check if all the buttons itself they are working. Here, printers and devices. This one. Properties. Okay, so let's see. Okay, since these buttons are working, this as well. These two. This as well. Back ones and the R. So I need to change profile. Okay, they might not be working. Maybe I need to set them up. Let's try to set. Okay. Or maybe. Okay, so I set up the second one so you can see it working. Oh, sorry, I was pressing this not work. Let's see if here I can check them. Actually, customize profiles. I'm not sure if here. Open a profile. Okay. Let's see if I can. Okay, this is to activate profile. Actually, I cannot see. Mapping. Let's try here in the back. Okay, so I can set it up here. Let's see if it will work. Save. Save. Back. Activate profiles. Okay. Let's disconnect. Connect back again. We'll see maybe here. Okay, so if I press here in the back, fault my headphones. Here in the back, it works alright. If you can see, so everything is fine. So actually, we were able to fix this one. I thought we would not be able because this was a mess. This port at all, the contact was off of place, and then we had this small condensator or capacitor. Actually, capacitor or resistor, not sure. So it works. Actually, this one we fixed as well. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you later.